Hey, welcome back, intermediate algebra students. Today's extended geometric sequences. So if you remember right, arithmetic sequences, which we just got done doing yesterday, were sequences where you added the same amount each and every time. Geometric sequences are where you multiply by the same amount each and every time. So is it just as easy? Pretty much. It's pretty much just as easy, just a little format for the different things. So here you'll notice that we're going from 128 to 32 to 8, and we need to figure out the next thing. So you might realize, I like using easier numbers, knowing that we're multiplying, and a lot of you will think of it in terms of dividing. Hey, if I'm honest, so do I. To get from 32 to 8, what did we divide by? We divided by 4, didn't we? So we divide by 4, we divide by 4, we're going to divide by 4 as well, and our answer is 2. But I want you to remember that in a geometric sequence, they actually consider it as multiplying each time. So if you remember right, dividing by 4 is exactly the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. Well, what is the reciprocal of 4? Know that 4 would be, if I wrote 4 as a fraction, it would be 4 over 1. So I'm really multiplying by 1/4, meaning 8 is 1/4 of 32. 32 is 1/4 of 128. And our answer of 2 is 1/4 of 8. So as it's going down, you're multiplying by a fraction. As it's going up, like this one, much easier. Going from 7 to 21, we multiplied by 3. Going from 21 to 63, we multiplied by 3. So we're going to multiply by 3 again, and our answer is 189. Yep, it's that simple. Have a good one. Bye-bye.